In this tutorial, we are going to make Happier by Marshmello featuring Bastille. First step, go to keyboard and press Alchemy Synth. Go to the plus near the top right corner and change section A to 28 bars. Click away. Go to the settings wheel, change the tempo from 110 to 100. Click away. Press on Epic Cloud Formation, go to Main Categories, Keyboards, and find Pop Producer Keys. Press Done. Test it. Press in the space next to the piano and hit Edit. Turn on Edit mode, put a note in, delete it again, and press Done. Zoom in, drag the Pop Producer Keys section out until 5. Press again on the section and hit Edit. Turn on the Edit mode, put in the following notes. Listen to it. Press Done. Click on the section, click again, and press Loop. Zoom out. Go to the track settings area, turn the volume down to about halfway, turn the echo up to about a quarter, turn the reverb up to about halfway. Now go to Master Effects, choose Echo, and change it to Dark 8th Note Echo. Get out of the track settings mode. Next, go to the Loops area. In the search, type in Snap. Then, find Fin Snap. Drag Fin Snap into a new track at 5. Move the loop so that it only goes for 8 bars. Next, add a new instrument, find drums, and choose Beat Sequencer. Go to Info, change the length from 16 to 32. In section 1, put a bass drum at 1 and 3.3 and put hi-hat in every box. In section 2, bass drum at 1, 3.3, 4.3, and hi-hat in every box. At 9, record in the drums. Press in the 808 flex section, press again, and hit Edit. Zoom out. Click next to the hi-hats and drag to highlight all. Press on the hi-hats, choose velocity, and turn it down to about a quarter. Click away. Press Done. Pull this section out. Turn up the clicks to full volume. Move the cursor to 9. Press plus. Go to Alchemy Synth. Choose Epic Cloud Formation. Main Categories. Synth Bass. Choose Hip Hop Sub Bass. Press Done. Press in the space next to 9. Choose Edit. Find C0, turn on the edit mode, and put in these notes. Press Done. Drag in the excess hip-hop bass. Click in the space next to the basses. Drag and highlight all. Press on the section, press again, and join. Add another instrument, choose Alchemy Synth, press Epic Cloud Formation, and find Endless Beauty. Press Done. Move the slow filter sweep so that it looks like this. Move the cursor to 9, press in the space, press Edit. Turn on Edit mode. At C4, place these notes. Press Done. Scroll down. Click and drag from the side to highlight all. Press on the section, press again, and join. Drag this out and turn down the volume to about 1/3. Next, go to loops, type in level up riser, and drag it into your track. Go to mixer mode, drag it so that it's only one riser. Go over to the track and hit duplicate. Press on the level up riser, copy, press in the new track, paste. Press again on the riser, and one more time, choose settings, choose reverse, and speed ×2. Press done. Drag it so that it sits on 13 for now. Go back to your first riser, zoom in, and line it up so that the end of the riser is right at the 13. Take your second riser and move it back so that it's right at 13. Lower the volume of both down a little bit, zoom out, and listen to it. Next, we're going to add some drums. Go to Beat Sequencer, click on Modern 808, and we're going to use the Roland TR-808. Make sure you've downloaded the Vintage Drum Machines pack. Press on the grid next to Roland TR-808 in the bottom left, scroll across until you find the new pattern. Press done. Now, put the snare on 2 and 4. At 13, press record. Now add hi-hat on every box. Go to 17 and press record. Click on this section, click again, go into edit mode. At 19, turn on the edit and put in bass drums on every beat. Then at 20, put it on every semiquaver or 16th note. Listen to it. Delete the hi-hats and the snare drum. Get out. Go to mixer window. At 21, press on the piano section and press it again. Choose split and cut the piano. Zoom in, click on the section. At 20, split again. Drag it from the right so that it's shorter, all the way back to halfway through 20. Listen to it. Add a new instrument, choose Smart Guitar. Choose Classic Clean. We're going to play these chords. Go back to 13 and record like this. Drag the end section so that it lines up at 17. Press on the track, press loop, drag it back in so that it's 2 sections long. Drag this bit out, turn down the volume to about 1/4. Add a new instrument, choose Smart Strings. Go to Cinematic, choose Pop, and choose Autoplay number 2. We're going to play like this. Once you've got it, start the D minor and then press record. Press on strings, drag it back so that it's at halfway through 20. Do the same with clean guitar. Press on strings again, choose the track settings, turn the echo up to about halfway, go to master effects, check that echo is on dark 8-note echo. Get out of track settings. Drag the strings back to 20. Go back to 13, add a new instrument, go to Alchemy Synth, hit Epic Cloud Formation, main categories, choose Synth Leads. Now find Dance Anthem, press done. At 13, go into edit mode. Turn on edit mode, zoom in so that each beat has 4 boxes. Put in these notes. Once you've got the first two sections in, press done. Choose the first box, press copy, line it up at 15 and paste it one more time. Go into the fourth one, press and press again, then choose edit. Turn on edit mode and change these notes to these notes. Press done. Click next to the sections and drag so that you have all. Press on a box and again, join. Add a new instrument, choose Alchemy Synth, press Epic Cloud Formation, go to Leads and choose Anthemic Lead, making sure you've downloaded the Edges and Angles pack. Press done. Move this so that it's halfway between Gritty and Epic Synth. Copy the dance anthem, put the cursor at 13 and paste it. Move the dance anthem across so that it starts at 17. Move the anthemic lead across so that it also starts at 17. We're now going to put in some automation. Press on the guitar symbol and choose automation. Now you can see a dark line and a light line. Press on the dark line, drag across a dot so that it's on the other side. Press on the light line again so it goes yellow. Drag across another dot. We're going to make sure we have two dots, one on either side. Turn down the first one so that it's at -25. This one needs to be at -10. We're going to do the same for the strings. Press on the strings automation, press above it so it goes yellow, drag in a couple of dots. Listen to it. You can listen and make your choice. You want the volume to slowly rise. Let's do the same with the synths. Let's listen. Press done to get out of automation. Zoom in on your synths, and we're going to drag the end of the two synths so that you only see these notes. Take the first level up riser, press on it and copy it, go to 20 and paste. Drag it so that it lines up halfway through 20 and 21. Listen to it. Go to the TR-808, click on it again so that you can go into edit mode. Zoom in at 20.4, turn on the edit mode and put in 3 snare drums here. Also, put in this snare drum. Zoom in just before 20.4, put in 2 small snare drums. It should look like this. Take your time to copy it. Turn off edit mode and on the snare drum down here, go to velocity and turn it up to full. Listen to that section from 19. We're up to the final section. We're going to take the dance anthem synth and copy it. We're going to put it at 21 and we're going to drag it out so that it's full length. Do the same for the bottom one. Copy, paste it at 21. Drag it out so that it's full length. Loop the top one and loop the bottom one. To the top synth, click on it and go into automation. Drag this so that it is at 0. Delete any other automation marks. Delete any other automation marks and do the same with the bottom one. Let's go to the TR-808 and double click on the drum machine. Let's make a new drum pattern. Go to 21 and put in the bass 1, 3.3 and 4.3, snare 2, 2.4, 3.2 and 4. Go to info and make it 32 steps. You can see it's copied over from the first 16 steps to the second 16 steps. In this one, we're going to take out the bass on 4.3 and we're going to add a snare at 4.4. At 21, record it. Drag it back and loop it. Click on 808 and go into edit mode. Turn on edit mode and we're going to add in these cymbals. We're going to put it here, here. Once you've added the cymbals, go to the last bar, turn on edit mode again. We're going to add the snare here and we're going to add 2 shakers. Choose TR-808, copy it and paste it. Listen to it. We're going to add another instrument. Go to Alchemy Synth. Choose Heavy Buzz Bass from Edges and Angles. Press Done. Move the square to Raging and turn down this oscillator to about 1/4. At 21, go into Edit Mode. Turn it on and put this in. Press Done to get out of Edit Mode. Go to the Mixer window. Press next to the tracks, drag across to highlight all. Click on one and join them. Press on it again, loop. Copy this and go up to Hip Hop Sub Bass and at 21, paste it in. Go in, Edit Mode, zoom out a little bit, press away and highlight all and drag it down to C0. The last thing we're going to do is go into the anthemic lead and turn up the porto. It gives it the kind of bend between the notes.